Now we will see how to do backfill in EzAlgo. So any symbol that is added in selected symbols box, EzAlgo will automatically update the historical data in AmiBroker. So you will be able to see the charts immediately. But if you need backfill data or historical data for more days, you can do so by selecting EzAlgo. In this drop-down box, select backfill period. So you can choose any number of days for which you want to do the backfill, and you can click the backfill all button. So when you click backfill all button, backfill will be done for all the symbols. But if you want to do backfill for specific symbols, you can do so by selecting those symbols. Now I have selected only 3 symbols. If I click this box, let me select for 180 days. And when you click backfill tick, now the backfill will be done only for the 3 symbols that we have selected. Let's go and check it in AmiBroker Nifty. So now the backfill is being updated in AmiBroker. Currently, as we can see, there are backfill available only for the past 30 days. Now once the backfill is done, now we have the backfill for 180 days. Yes, 180 days. Now the backfill is available from February till August. That is 6 months since we have selected 180 days. So we have selected Nifty, Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty data is available for 180 days, and Sensex. So now Sensex data is also available for 180 days. So for easy visibility, I have changed the chart time frame to daily. The backfill is available in 1 minute format, so you can switch to any interval that you want. But when you click backfill all button, backfill will be done for all the symbols that is added in the watch list. Let me click for all symbols. Now the backfill is being done for all the symbols that are added in the watch list. Let's choose some other stock and daily view. So the chart is getting updated as the backfill data is being updated in AmiBroker. Now the backfill for all the symbols for 180 days is completed. We can check Tata Motors done, TVS Motors done, Grasim, Granules. So all the symbols are done. Beta India, Bajaj Auto. Yes, now. So that's the difference. If you want to do backfill for specific symbols, you have to select those symbols and click backfill tick. This will be useful when you're adding new symbols to the list. Say you have done the backfill for 6 months for most of the symbols and you are adding a new symbol to start trading on it. So that's when this backfill tick will be very useful, because giving backfill for all the symbols will take time. Doing backfill only for certain number of symbols will reduce the time drastically.